Right, we have a Honda CB125F on a 2024 model. It's on a 73 plate. It was registered before changeover this year. Yeah, lad's bought it. He's come off it. It's damaged a mudguard there. Headlight, screen, cowl behind there. The little panel that goes on there. Indicator, the bulb's rattling around. He's bent the brake lever. Scratched all that as well. Damaged the grip. Bent that back and that, and obviously the exhaust as well. I've got all the parts have started showing up. All the handlebars are bent as well. All the parts have started showing up. I ordered them 10th of May. It's now the 15th of August. The only thing that hasn't turned up is this panel. But they're promising me that will be here tomorrow. The lever I'm going to sort out for him. He's trying to save money. He's not going to bother changing the indicator, but I'll try and clean up that lens and I'll put the bulb back in. It looks like it's just rattled out. And this one on the back here as well, I'll be able to fix that mount on the back there. The rest of the indicator will be fine. And he's not bothered really about the damage on there. That I'll bend back and I'll put him a new rubber on. Trying to save a little bit of money, you see, because he's probably going to drop it again. But yeah, let's get the parts that are rear fitted. Right, so that's the handlebars fitted. Sorted that lever out, straightened it, and I painted it. Not perfect, but it'll do. Better than it was. I fitted a new the pull cable, the throttle cable, new grip. That's why the tank had to come off. Yep, I'm gonna do the front next. Change the headlight. Cowl that goes behind. Put the little trim panel on here and change the screen. Right, stripped all the front off, and that's the old headlight. That's the old smashed up cowling. There's the old screen. There's a new one with a cellophane on it. New cowl and new headlight. That's got some cellophane on it as well. Yeah, I was thinking when I took it out of the box, I thought, crap, it's all bloody scratched, but it's not. It's just a cover, which is good, protects it. I need to get all that chucked in there and get it fitted back on here. together, all back on. What we've got left now is this panel, which I took off here. So this panel's good. I've got to take this off the back piece here. Obviously that's been scrapped with it. New parts. Sinew one in the packet there. Got to take that panel off. Is that the right side? Yeah, it is. Thank God for that. Right, and then the panel that I was waiting for is that one to turn up today. There's a 10th of May, and now it's the 16th. 10th of May I ordered them, now it's the 16th of August. Took that long to get the bloody bits. Alright, let's get them bits switched over. Alright, it's panel done. All on. As good as new. Right, last thing to do. Well, apart from going over other stuff. Oh, I've got to sort that bulb out. Done the indicator, but I forgot to film that bit. Just repaired it. Take that rubber off there. Bend this back. Put the new rubber on. Then it's done. Go over everything else, make sure everything else is happy. Oh, that went better than expected. So yeah, just give the brake pedal a bit of a paint up as well on the end where it was all scratched. So yeah, looks a bit better for him. Seat on. Alright, it's all done. Sucked up the exhaust there, touched it up. That's all done. All the panel's done. Indicator's done. Obviously there's a mark here, that's the telltale sign it's been down, but I say he doesn't want every little bit done. And the mark there on the front mud guard. But everything else is done. All back together. I'll give it a wipe over as well, a bit of a polish.